This is our popcorn.
Yay!
Ooh. Hello beautiful people, thank you for joining us. As you can see, we are in our environment where we want to make some quick lunch. Okay, so today don't be surprised to see me in the kitchen. I want to prepare some popcorn for my family. Okay, I want to do a local popcorn, a technique how to prepare popcorn without the normal regular popcorn machine. Okay, so to do that we need about this our ingredients, Manuela. So we have our popcorn. You can see this is our popcorn, and this is our groundnut oil. Okay, then this is sugar, and this is butter, and here we have some salt. Okay, so follow me as I'll be making this popcorn, okay, without a regular popcorn machine. So to get started, first of all we need to rinse this, because sometimes this may be coming from an environment which may not be too healthy. So we are going to rinse the popcorn first. Okay, so this is our pot. As you can see, it's a clean pot. So we are going to rinse this and pour the corn inside. Okay, so next we need our groundnut oil. You see, so this is just popcorn. Okay, so we are going to pour our groundnut oil. Next we had our butter. So this is our butter. So never mind if the butter is not well mixed, then we at this point we add our salt. We just add a little salt. That's enough. So we put it on the fire. So at this point we'll add some little water. The purpose of this water is to make the salt and the butter, okay, and the groundnut oil to mix. Okay, so we are going to cover it. So let's wait. We'll wait for like 5 minutes. Okay, and we hear some sound. Like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Okay, so beautiful people, as you can see, the sound That is the sound of the water, okay? It's boiling, and very soon you can see that is oil, butter, and water, okay? The vapor represents the water. So as soon as the water evaporates, the popcorn will start, manifesting. So beautiful people, as you can see, it has started pumping. Okay, it has started popping up. Okay, let me just show you a little bit. You see? So we are going to cover it. Another, you eat popcorn, eh? Philip, popcorn. This is a local popcorn, okay? A local way of preparing popcorn without popcorn machine. This method is very easy. You don't need expensive machine at home before you can eat popcorn. You can hear the sound. Come and hear the sound more. Okay? Hey, Philip, stop. That is it. Woo! It's popping. So I need to rotate it. So this is the technique, because as it's pumping, I need to turn it. Okay, I can't open it while turning it. So I'm going to this is the African way, okay? The purpose of give me Manila, shift back. The purpose of this is to make the popcorn, the corn that has not popped, to go beneath, and let the one that has popped up be on top. Philip, shift back. So beautiful people, our popcorn has stopped. The rate at which it pop has reduced. So wow, okay, as you can see, here is our popcorn. So it's still popping, but the rate is reducing. So our popcorn is ready. Okay, wow, this is our popcorn. You see? Ooh. This is our popcorn.
Yay!
Ooh. Okay. Philip, wait, it's hot too. It's hot. Yes, it's hot.
No. Oh, come on.
Philip, wait, it's hot. So, popcorn is ready. So at this point, we will add. Philip, wait. So at this point, we'll add the sugar.
Don't add sugar. Yeah.
Just add some sugar. So beautiful people, we are adding our milk, okay? So our popcorn is ready. Sugar, okay. Take. So, beautiful people, thank you for watching. As you can see, here is our beautiful homemade popcorn, okay, with just 5 ingredients, okay, and we added milk to it. Manuela, let me have a taste of it. You need to try this. Philip, come and test. So, beautiful people, see you in our next video where we'll be eating this popcorn, okay? Manuela, so delicious. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share, comment, okay? And turn up the notification bell to all. Philip, take. Manuela. Bye bye.